Hey, what's up, guys? Today, we're counting down the top 7 exercises to get stupid strong. You know, the kind of strong that makes you feel like a total boss. So, let's get started. The leg press is a compound exercise that targets your legs, glutes, and core. To perform a leg press, sit in a leg press machine with your feet shoulder width apart on the platform, then push the platform away from you, extending your legs. Lower the platform back down to the starting position and repeat for 8 to 12 reps. The shoulder press is a great exercise for building strength in your shoulders and triceps. To perform a shoulder press, stand or sit with your feet shoulder width apart, then hold a weight or barbell at shoulder height with your hands shoulder width apart. Press the weight straight up over your head, then lower it back down to the starting position. Repeat for 8 to 12 reps. A great exercise for building strength in your back, shoulders, and arms. To perform a barbell row, hold a barbell with your hands shoulder width apart, then bend your knees slightly and lean forward at the hips. Lift the bar up to your chest, squeezing your back muscles at the top of the movement. Lower the bar back down to the starting position and repeat for 8 to 12 reps. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then bend your knees and lower your body down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Repeat for 8 to 12 reps. Pull-ups are a great exercise for building strength in your back, shoulders, and arms. To perform a pull-up, hang from a pull-up bar with your hands shoulder width apart. Then pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. Lower yourself back down to the starting position and repeat for 8 to 12 reps. Target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. To perform a bench press, lie on a flat bench and grip the bar with your hands shoulder width apart. Lower the bar down to your chest, then press it back up to the starting position. Repeat for 8 to 12 reps. Deadlifts are a compound exercise that work multiple muscle groups at once, including your back, legs, and core. To perform a deadlift, start with your feet shoulder width apart, then bend down and grab a weight or barbell with your hands shoulder width apart. Lift the weight up to hip level, squeezing your glutes and pushing your hips back. Lower the weight back down to the starting position and repeat for 8 to 12 reps. And there you have it, guys. The top 7 exercises to get stupid strong. Remember to always warm up before your workouts and to listen to your body and take rest days as needed. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe for more videos.